How do you train teams on heat straightening, a process that involves open flame, hot metal, and precision control, without exposing workers to real-world burn risks or costly rework? At Spatio, we developed an immersive heat straightening VR training and evaluation experience that simulates real heat straightening operations in a safe virtual environment. The experience. The training follows a structured, process-driven workflow. Trainees first learn the safety fundamentals, including PPE readiness, worksite setup, barricading, and safe oxygen and acetylene handling. They then move into operations, building core techniques such as torch and nozzle control, heat zone marking, controlled heating, temperature checks, and cooling discipline. The same process is reinforced across plate, T-bar, and I-beam profiles to ensure real-world transfer. In the evaluation module, trainees select the required tools and complete the workflow in sequence without missing any steps to complete the assessment. All training data is captured through Axis, Spatio's LMS for VR training, giving supervisors clear visibility into progress, SOP adherence, and skill readiness. The impact was clear. 89% increase in SOP compliance, 72% reduction in on-the-job training time, 80% improvement in heat zone marking accuracy, 0 safety incidents. Train smarter, train safer. Build workforce readiness with confidence. Book your demo with Spatio today.